Like, I'm just saying, like, my bike is like completely like a mismatch of just all sorts of shit. I mean, like, look, I got Eastern bars, my old ass redneck stem, got an Eastern headset, the S&M frame, Hoffman forks, I got an Alienation front wheel, an Odyssey tire, I think, shit, I got a Hoffman seat. My seat post is off a Stolen. My bottom bracket's off a Stolen. Fucking, I got the simple sprocket. Yeah, man, I think these are fit cranks. I got the Colony pedals. The back wheel is half Eastern, half Hoffman. And I got like what is that, a premium tire? Yeah, a premium tire and some type of chain. But you know, it gets the job done, you know. Oh yeah, and I got the ODI grip, so whatever.